In recent years, the Amazon rainforest has faced deforestation as a result of logging and farming. These activities are often justified as necessary for economic development. So, how can local leaders encourage business growth without excessively affecting the environment? As it turns out, the occupational backgrounds of mayors can have a significant influence over whether they achieve both economic and ecological goals simultaneously. By comparing the occupational backgrounds of elected mayors from 2004 to 2016, researchers found that mayors with agribusiness backgrounds are more effective than their non-agribusiness counterparts in promoting the creation of new, local businesses while also aiming for environmental sustainability. Interestingly, local mayors with agribusiness backgrounds were found to help create significantly more local companies than their non-agribusiness counterparts. This happens in part because mayors with agribusiness backgrounds are more prone to spend municipal funds on agriculture and infrastructure. For example, mayors with agribusiness backgrounds may use public funds to acquire and distribute seeds to farmers, helping them grow robust agricultural economies. These mayors help make local economies more dynamic as they increase the number of companies in operation. And mayors with agribusiness backgrounds also don't contribute to deforestation any more than their non-agribusiness counterparts. Because they create more companies in their cities than non-agribusiness leaders, they end up deforesting less per each established business than their counterparts. Wonder if agribusiness leaders are heroes or villains for the Amazon rainforest? If so, you may want to read this paper.